सो बच्चा पार्टी गेट रेडी। आज की क्लास में हम फ्लेमिंगो बुक के प्रोज सेक्शन से थर्ड चैप्टर डीप वाटर रिटन बाय विलियम डगलस के 10 डिफ़िकल्ट बट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज का एक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करेंगे। साथ ही साथ अपनी एबिलिटी को चेक करना है कि आप डीप वाटर में स्विमिंग कर पाते हो या आपके तोते उड़ जाते हैं। So here is first question. What does deep water signify? Options are depth of river, depth of sea, depth of ocean, none of these. So guess your answer. Not easy. Yes? Selected. So right option is option D, none of these. Right answer is fear. Deep water signify for fear. What is the theme of the story Deep Water? Fear of water, victory in facing the fear, to learn swimming, all of these. तोते उड़ने मत देना. Select your option. Right option is yes. Option B, victory in facing the fear. What was the fear in Douglas' mind? To be defeated, to be died, being drawn, to be pushed. Your time starts. Tick, 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 tick. Selected. So right option is option C, being drowned. Fear of water is known as acrophobia, hydrophobia, maxophobia, xenophobia. Yes. Select your answer. I think you have selected. So right option is option B, hydrophobia. Though Douglas was frightened, he was not afraid to die, out of wits, able to shout for help, going to survive. Yes, think, rethink, then take your answer. So right option is yes. Selected. Right option is he was not out of wits. Option B. बचा पार्टी थोड़ी सी मस्ती हो जाए। ओए होए शर्मा गई का, फ़ोन काट दी मम्मी आ गई का। इस सॉन्ग के सिंगर का नाम आपको बताना है। ऑप्शंस आर एज फॉलोज। डगलस कॉल्स हिम ए नेस्टी ह्यूमन बीइंग, अ ब्रूट, अ बिग बुली, अ ब्यूटिफुल फिजिकल स्पेसिमेन। यस, चूज योर ऑप्शन। डिफिकल्ट but not impossible. Selected. Think, rethink. Right option is option D, a beautiful physical specimen. Where was the Lake Wentworth? In New Hampshire, in Washington, in California, in Washington DC. थोड़ा confusing है. Yes. Done. So match your answer. Right option is option A, in New Hampshire. William Douglas was a friend and advisor of President Clinton, President Kennedy, Mayor Chadwick, none of these. Oh my God, it's difficult. Really? The right option is option D, none of these. ऐसे क्वेश्चन भी आएंगे बच्चा पार्टी आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए. And right answer is President Roosevelt. What was the impact of the pool incident? Developed fear, became confident, became overconfident. Hydrophobia was revived. Which is the right option? A, B, C or D? I think you have selected. Right option is hydrophobia was revived. Option D. I crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell. What does oblivion mean? Death, changing room, fear line, unconscious. Yes, try to find out the right option. Do it sincerely. So right option is option D, unconscious. So test is over. How is your test? If you do have any doubt, any complaint, any suggestion, then please do write in comment box and get ready for part 2. It will be also difficult but important. So best of luck for your first term examination. God bless you all.